Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Untitled Chapter. If you are new, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are already a part of the clique, then welcome back. So today y'all, I'm going to be trying out some makeup from Shein. Never tried makeup from Shein before, but I ordered some clothes from there and I saw that they had, like, you know how when you're at the checkout and they have those other items on the bottom and they're like, you can add these for really cheap. They had that going on with their makeup. So it's the Shein Glam line of their makeup. And again, I've never tried it, but I figured why not? So if you want to see the clothes that I ordered, then make sure you check out my fall try on haul. I already have that video up, but this one is going to be the makeup. So I ordered 3 different makeup items, and the first one is the Sheglam Smart Cookie palette. So this is an eyeshadow palette, and I ordered it because it just has so many really pretty, like, neutral type of colors, and I felt like it would look really pretty on my skin. And the second product that I ordered was this Sheglam concealer. So y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I don't even usually use concealer, but it was like $3, so I'm like, why not give it a try, you know what I'm saying? And the third item that I ordered was this lip duo. So it's a lip liner on one side and then it's like a matte lipstick on the other side. So we are going to try all of these out. Alright, so to start off, I'm gonna do what I normally do before I do my makeup, and that is to make sure that my face is nice and moisturized. And I'm gonna be using my Fenty Skin Hydrovisor Moisturizer. I absolutely love this moisturizer, y'all. Like, it makes my face so soft and moisturized and very, like, glowy, which is what I love. So I'm just applying this all over my face. And this moisturizer is also a sunscreen, so that is very important. Make sure y'all are wearing your sunscreen, even when it's cold. Alright, so my eyebrows are already done. I did those off camera. And I used my Maybelline New York Express brow pencil, which is what I always use to do my eyebrows. And it always just works so well. It's like my all-time favorite brow pencil. So I've already done that. And so now we're gonna move on to the next step. So I'm going to use a little bit of foundation, but not much. This is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. But I'm not going to use a lot of this because I'm going for like an everyday no makeup type of look. So we're just using a very little bit, y'all. Alright, so now that that is done, we're going to move on to the concealer. So this is the Sheglam 12-Hour Full Coverage Concealer, and I got it in the color Peanut Butter. So I kind of just guessed this color because, again, I'm ordering this online, so it's kind of hard to tell. But I felt like it would probably be the right color for my skin tone. And again, y'all, I've never used concealer, but we're gonna use it today because why not? Alright, so I'll be watching all the girlies apply this, and I know that you put it under your eyes. So we're going to do that. Hopefully this is not too much. Like, I don't even know. Alright. Got some concealer on there. Gonna put a little bit on my nose. A little bit on my chin. And a little bit on my forehead. What's it giving? I don't know. We're about to find out. I'm gonna use this little small brush for this to kind of blend it in. Ooh, okay. Okay. Shein concealer. That looks pretty good. Alright, let me do the other side. Alright, so now I'm just gonna use this little bit bigger brush now to just kind of blend it a little bit more. Before I use my really big brush to really blend it out. Okay. I think that looks really good, y'all. What y'all think? Alright, so now let's move on to this eyeshadow. So I'm so excited about this. The Smart Cookie palette. So it has 12 different colors. And they're all so pretty. Like, do y'all see these colors? Like, I'm obsessed. I played in this palette already a little bit, guys, because I was excited. But we're gonna do it again for y'all. So I think what I'm gonna use is this brown sugar right here, because it's just so pretty. Like, look at that color. So we're gonna try this. Ooh, that is so pretty. I absolutely love this color. Yes, that is giving. That is definitely giving. So now I'm gonna use this little Devil's Food. It's kind of dark brown. just on the side, just to give like a little bit of dimension. Like, I don't know. Like a slight little smoky eye situation. Ooh. Okay, that's like really pretty. Like, whoa, that's pretty. All right, so now I'm going to use this lighter color, the Flower Power, just on my actual lid to make that part a little bit brighter. Like so. Yes, that is a look. And I'm just using a little bit of this really light fortune teller just right up under my brows, since I did not use concealer under my brows. It was my first time doing this concealer, y'all, so we're starting off with baby steps. So I'm gonna do my normal light shadow under my eyebrows. And that is what the eyeshadow is giving. I think it's giving really cute. I like it. Alright, so last but not least, we're gonna use this lip duo. So let me read what this says. So this is the Sheglam Glam 101 lipstick and liner duo. Basically, you line your lips with this side, and then you use the lipstick on the other side. And I got this in the color Soft Chai. So I don't know if this is gonna show up that well, but I kind of again wanted like a natural nude type of color. So we're gonna see if this shows up on my lips. I mean, it's giving a little bit something, but it's not showing up that well. So I'm gonna order another one and make sure that it's a little bit darker. But let's see about the lipstick. So this is what the lipstick looks like. I feel like this is gonna show pretty well. Yeah, so that definitely shows. It's like a soft nude pinkish color, which is really pretty. And I always have to go in with the gloss, y'all. I don't like when my lips are just like this. So we're gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate lip gloss. I absolutely love this lip gloss. It's my absolute favorite. So we're going to go in with this over on top. Ooh. What do y'all think? So this is the final makeup look tell me what you guys think. I think it's really, really pretty. I'm actually like pleasantly surprised. Like Shein kind of surprised me because I was not really expecting the eyeshadow especially to be this pigmented, but it is very, very pigmented. Like the eyeshadow color is really popping. I like the lip situation, the little duo. I think that's a really nice idea to have the lip liner and the lipstick together, and only for like a few bucks. Like that's really hard to beat. And for my first time using the concealer, I think it went pretty well. Like I think it looks really pretty. Okay, Deandra. Okay, what are you doing, girl? Am I like becoming a little makeup guru? Like, I don't know. Tell me. Okay, I'm not gonna get too carried away. All right, so let's take down my hair so that we can really see what this is giving. Alright, so this is the final look. I love it. Like it has that natural, no makeup look, plus mixed with my natural fro. Like it's everything. I love it. Okay. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Let me know if you've ever tried the Sheglam Shein makeup products. And make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. That really helps my videos to spread throughout the YouTube algorithm. So I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the clique if you have not already done so. We're getting so close to 1,000 subbies, y'all, and I'm so excited. So thank you guys for all of the support. Make sure you check out my Shein fall haul to see the clothes that I got along with this makeup. And thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all next week in my next video. Bye.